Hello students, I will discuss about the determination of shape of molecules in shortcut. In this video, you can understand how you determine the shape of molecules, the bond pair, lone pair, hybridization of different type of molecules. This video is only for class 11 and 12 students. So let's start. First type is AB2. AB2 means A is the central atom and B are the two terminal atoms. Two B atoms surrounded A. Without lone pair, what will be the shape? That is this. Because two sigma bonds repel to each other and they linear in which the repulsion is minimum and the bond angle is 180 degree and the structure is linear. When it is double bond, then also it is linear. Now you have to understand the last cell electron number. In this structure, without lone pair, the last cell electron number of A is only 2 because here 1 electron and 1 electron. There is no lone pair, so the total number of valence electron is 2. Here the B atom and the B atom. For example, first type of molecules BeCl2 and the second type of molecules this. Here in this structure, what will be the valence electron of A? 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no lone pair, so the total valence electron is 4. So this is group 14 element. This is carbon, and oxygen, it requires 2 electron to fulfill its octet. So this is structure, and also this is 180 and linear. With lone pair, AB2 type belongs AB2L, that is 2 bond pair equals to 2, lone pair equals to 1, and AB2L2, here bond pair equals to 2, lone pair equals to 2, and AB2L3, bond pair equals to 2, lone pair equals to 3. Firstly, AB2L, here 2 bond pair and 1 lone pair. So the valence electron of A is 2 and 2, 4 electrons, 2 and 2. 4 electron means group 14 element. Group 14 element carbon, silicon and also tin, lead. But here carbon, silicon can't form this type of molecules. Sn can form this type of molecule, SnCl2 with 1 lone pair, and the angular structure will form AB2L2. AB2L2, what is the valence electron of A? That is 2 bond pair, that is 2, and the 2 lone pair, that is 4. 2 and 4, 6. So valence electron is 6. 6 means group 16 element. Group 16, it will be group 16 means oxygen, sulfur. So this will be oxygen. Here 2 bond pair and also 2 lone pair. Very easy example, water. Here oxygen has 2 in water molecules, 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair. The valence electron you can match 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 valence electron. Already we know that the oxygen element has a 6 valence electron. Also the example will H2S. Here these 2 lone pair and also 2 bond pair. But the bond angle is varies due to VSEPR theory. I will discuss this in the next video. So this is AB2L2 type. AB2L3. AB2L3 means 2 bond pair and 3 lone pair. 3 lone pair means 3 to just 6 electron and 2 bond pair means 2 electrons. 6 and 2, 8 electrons. A has 8 electron in their valence shell. Understand? Lone pair 3, that is 3 to the 6, and 2 bond pair, that is 2, that is 6 plus 2 equals to 8. So this is group 18 element. Group 18 element, xenon can form compound with fluorine and oxygen. So this will be XeF2 with 3 lone pair of electrons. Here is this and also this. It also linear structure because 2 lone pair repel to each other and lone pair bond pair also repel to each other. Here bottom one lone pair and the structure will linear, but this is angular. AB 2 time molecules. Now I will discuss about AB 3 time molecules. AB 3 time molecules without lone pair, you can predict this type of molecules because A has only 3 valence electron, and with these 3 valence electron it can form 3 covalent sigma bond. So A atom belongs to group 13, that is 3 element large cell, group 13. So example BCl3, that is boron and the 3 chlorine without lone pair, BCl3. If we imagine these 3 bonds will be double bond, then it also possible. So double bond. But here the valence electron of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, that is group 16 element. Group 16 element will oxygen sulfur. Oxygen can't form this type of bond. It can only form 2 sigma bond or 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. There is 2 bond pair because last cell requirement is 2 and it has no d orbital, so oxygen can't form this type of molecules. This is sulfur. A is sulfur, but B is oxygen. So SO3 is the structure. Here sulfur has no lone pair of electrons, and this type of molecules bond angle is 120 degree. What is the shape name? Shape name is triangular planar. Triangular and also planar. This is triangular planar shape. With lone pair, suppose AB3L type. AB3L type, here lone pair equals to 1 and bond pair equals to 3. You can also write AB3L2. AB3L2, bond pair is 3, lone pair is 2. That is 2 to the 4 and 3 is 7. So valence electron of A is 7. It is possible. When you write AB3L3, then it will be 3 to the 6 and 3, 9. So it is not possible. Here bond pair equals to 3, lone pair equals to 2. In this, what is the example of this type of molecules? 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. That is 3 bond pair means 3 and 1 lone pair is 2. That is last electron number is 5. A atom has 5 electrons in their outermost shell and 1 lone pair and 3 bond pair. The example will be NH3. Here 1 lone pair and 3 bond pair. The last cell electron number is 5. Here AB3L2, last cell electron number is 7. 7 means the compound will form with iodine. So this is iodine and 3 bond pair with sigma bond. So I can write 3 bond, it can form 3 bond with chlorine and it has 2 lone pair. Okay. What is the shape of this molecule? The shape of the molecule is pyramidal. Here 3 sigma bonds are not in plane, they are different plane and the structure is pyramidal. And here this like T, alphabet T. So this is T shape. T-shaped molecule. So this is the AB3 with lone pair and without lone pair. These are the examples. AB4 type. Next, AB4 without lone pair. AB4 without lone pair is possible like this tetrahedral structure. Here 4 sigma bonds belongs tetrahedrali around A, and the bond angle, each bond angle is 109.28 degree, 109 degree 28 minute. Here the structure name is tetrahedral. The last number of electron of A is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? 4, and without lone pair. So this 4 means group 14 elements, carbon. So the structure, the example is methane. Also silicon can form this type of silicon. Suppose with chlorine, 4 chlorine, it can form SiCl4 molecules without lone pair. With lone pair, AB4 type molecules with lone pair, that is AB4L. Here lone pair equals to 1, bond pair equals to 4. AB4L2, here bond pair, lone pair equals to 2, bond pair equals to 4. And also AB4L3, if it is possible, you can justify this. Is it possible or not? Here A atom has the 4 electron and 1 lone pair, that is 4 and 2, 6. So valence shell is 6, and 6, that is 16 group element, that is sulfur. Sulfur with 4 monovalent atom like fluorine and 1 lone pair. These 3 sides belong the plane, and these are the another plane. This type of structure is seesaw, that is F, that is F. SF4, SF4, 1 S atom and 4 fluorine atom with 1 lone pair, that is AB4 type. AB4L, that is AB4 with 1 lone pair. AB4 with 2 lone pair. What is the last valence shell electron number of A? That is 4. 4 bond pair is 4, and 2 lone pair, 2 to the 4. 4 and 4, 8. So this is xenon. Xenon molecules with 4 single bond or sigma bond with fluorine like this. These 4 fluorine belong the plane. This is above the plane and this is below the plane. Here 2 lone pair, and the structure name is square planar. The structure name is square planar. Here justify this. Is it possible? 3 lone pair, that is 3 to the 6, and 4, 10. So this is not possible. Understand? This is not possible. Next, AB5 type molecules. AB5 without lone pair. AB5 without lone pair, that is A and the 3B atom along the plane and 1 above the plane, 1B below the plane. What is the valence electron of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each bond pair contributes 1 electron from A. So valence electron number is 5. 5 means group 15 elements, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. But nitrogen is not suitable in this structure because it can't form 5 unpaired electron due to the absence of d orbital. But phosphorus can form with the excited energy state. It can form 5 covalent bond and can combine with 5b atom. So the example is P and the 5b atom is Cl, so this is PCl5. Here 5 covalent bond with no lone pair, 5 covalent bond, 5 sigma bond with no lone pair, that is PCl5, and the structure name is trigonal bipyramidal. This is trigonal, 3 bond pair along the plane and 1 above and 1 below the plane. So this is trigonal bipyramidal structure. With lone pair, this AB5L, lone pair is equals to 1 and bond pair equals to 5. Think about this. Valence shell number of A. You can predict in microsecond the valence shell number of A, that is 5 and 2, 7. 7 means group 17 element and 17 elements, that is iodine. Iodine can form more and more sigma bond, and the maximum sigma bond can form is 7. Chlorine also can form more than one sigma bond. So you can predict the structure AB5 with one lone pair. This type of Cl, 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 that is ICl5. ICl5 is the structure. Here 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair, and the valence shell, here count the valence shell, 1 valence shell electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Iodine has 7 valence electron. Okay, clear? Next AB5L2, that is 5 bond pair and 2 lone pair, that is lone pair equals to 2, bond pair equals to 5. So the valence electron number is in microsecond 5, 4, 9. 5, 4, 9. So not possible. Now AB6 type molecules without lone pair, that is 6 covalent bond. Which element can form 6 covalent bond without lone pair? That is group 16 element. Group 16 element, that is A surrounded each 6b atom. This type structure will form. Group 16 element, oxygen, sulfur. Oxygen can't form this type of molecules, this type of structure, because due to the absence of d orbital, it can't unpaired their electrons into the d orbital. But sulfur can form unpaired electron, and it can form 6 unpaired electron, and with this unpaired electron with 6 atom, it can form 6 covalent bond. The structure is SF6, 6 fluorine atom. Sulfur can accommodate 6 fluorine atom around the atom. This is the without lone pair structure. With lone pair, you can predict AB6L like above. AB6L, that is 6 covalent bond and 6 covalent bond pair and 1 lone pair, that is lone pair equals to 1 and bond pair equals to 6. So the valence last cell electron number is 6 and 2, 8. So the A atom will be group 18 element. A is group 18 element, that is xenon, and xenon with 6 fluorine atoms. Xenon can form with 6 fluorine atom with 1 lone pair. 6 fluorine atom with 1 lone pair. The structure like this. This is above the plane, this is below the plane. And the lone pair is here. This lone pair distorted the structure. Understand? AB6 type molecules, the structure name is octahedral structure name is octahedral. Here 4 plane above 4 plane and the below the 4 plane. 4 and 4 8 plane, so this is octahedral. But here presence of lone pair, the octahedral structure become distorted. So distorted octahedral. What is the name of this structure? Distorted octahedral. Distorted octahedral. Here XeF6. This name of this compound, xenon hexafluoride. Okay, xenon hexafluoride. So Ab6 type of molecules. Now last, not the least, Ab7 type of molecules. This is the last. Here A is the central atom and B is the B7B atom surrounded each. 4 B atom at the same plane, 5 like this. You can draw more perfectly than me. This B, 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 B and B. 1B above the plane, 1B below the plane, like this. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Here one pyramidal structure and here one pyramidal structure, pentagonal bipyramidal. That is Ab7 type. Without lone pair, Ab7 can't possible. Justify Ab7L. Is it possible or not? Here 7 bond pair and 1 lone pair, that is 7 and 2, 7 and 2 9, so this is not possible, so complete. In the next video I will discuss about the hybridization of the molecules in microsecond. One example I can say for you for hybridization, that is NH3. Okay, how we decide the hybridization of this molecule of nitrogen. The hybridization of nitrogen is, first you have to draw the structure. One is lone pair and 3 bond pair, so 1 2 3 4, that is 4. Hybridization, lone pair and sigma bond can participate in hybridization, so you can determine the hybridization, that is 4, that is sp3. Okay, thank you.